Hey, Michael Beatty here, and was asked a great question. I want to take the opportunity to shoot this while I was outside in beautiful Palm Springs, California. Down here, just enjoying some rest and relaxation before we head back, jump on a plane, and head back to cold, snowy conditions. So, kind of basically more of what you can see off in the distance up in there. So until then, we're soaking up the sun as much as possible. So I'm continuing on the video, but you will see it's a very different background, very different scene. And that's because while I was trying to record the video in California, life happened and it never happened. Interruptions, planes, dogs, all of the above. So this way I'm back home. But that answers one of the questions as to what is the top 3 reasons for organic posting. And the number 1 is it can be casual. I mean, it's more relaxed, it's more casual. If things don't go according to plan, that's okay. Today's day and age of electronic, basically electronic, attention, things have a relatively short lifespan. So you can take your time, create videos and blogs like this, and if they work, fantastic. It's a great way to test things, and if not, then you really haven't lost too much. But it's like I had mentioned, so the number 2 reason is it's a great way to test things. You can throw content out there, see what your audience likes, see what they don't like, if they understand what you're trying to refer to. So it's a great way to kind of test things and see whether or not you're actually going to get the level of engagement that you're looking for. And then the final benefit of organic posting is that it's free. Because it's organic, it doesn't cost you anything other than the time it takes to record and create the content itself. Now, the top 3 reasons for paid advertising, the number 1 is actually reach. While organic is fantastic in that you can create a lot of content on the fly because it's okay to be casual. However, the problem with organic is that if you can basically get a 5% reach within your Facebook, specifically like Facebook page, that's considered pretty good. So Facebook and Google are basically, their motto is pay to play, which means if you really want to get out there and reach your audience, you're going to have to pay for it. So the number 1 benefit of paid advertising is you can actually get your audience out there and get them seeing your message. The number 2 reason why you'd want to get into paid advertising is the fact that now you've got a way you can really dial in to your audience. You can do split testing with different types of images, different types of content. Again, you can leverage kind of what you've posted on the organic posts in order to see what's working. But once you get into paid advertising, you can really dial in the targeting aspects from all of that. The beauty with paid advertising as well is you can direct people to a landing page, and then from there you can have offers, bonus offers as well. Once people opt into your offer, then you can make sure that their email system is entered into an autoresponder, and then from there you are just following up with them through email. The other advantage with paid advertising that a lot of people forget to do is you can actually retarget. So those people who have come to your lead funnel and they don't take you up on your offer, a lot of people think that they're gone, they're never going to come back. But research shows that people need at least 10 times of seeing you, 10 exposures to you before they will take action. So that way you can actually turn around and run a retargeting campaign. So people who've come to your lead funnel but don't opt in, they can still see a follow-up ad from that. So with paid advertising, you can get really detailed, you can really dial in exactly what you're going for, and you can get quite intricate on what you're looking for. And then the final benefit of paid advertising is the KPIs. You can literally, again, because you're dialing in, you're creating very precise algorithms and very precise strategies of what's going on. You can measure what you've put out there and then what is the response from it. And then you can know exactly what's working. And as a result, then you can scale what is working and you can turn off what's not working. So the number 1 rule with advertising is it's always test, and then leverage what is working. So hopefully these tips have helped at all. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, ask any questions below, and we will see you on the next video.